Alright, let's delve into the problem at hand. Imagine you're working with a dataset in polars where you need to increment a column value based on a specific condition. In this case, you want to track how many times a certain condition is met within the dataset. It's a common scenario where you need to perform such operations to analyze and manipulate your data effectively. Now, moving on to the solution. Here, we follow a structured approach to achieve the desired outcome. The provided code snippet utilizes polars functionalities effectively to increment the column value based on the specified condition. By using pl.when, pl.int_range, pl.rle_id, and other polars methods, we're able to systematically process the data and calculate the increment column values accurately. The code snippet demonstrates a well-thought-out solution to address the problem statement effectively. Furthermore, building upon the previous steps, we proceed with additional explanations of the provided solution. The code snippet showcases the transformation of the dataset after applying the aforementioned operations. By incrementing the column values, shifting the sequences, and handling any missing values appropriately, the code ensures that the final output aligns with the expected result. It's a meticulous process that guarantees the accurate representation of the data based on the specified conditions. To wrap it up, we have successfully navigated through the problem statement by implementing a robust solution using polars functionalities. The step-by-step approach outlined in the solution has enabled us to increment column values effectively while handling the given conditions meticulously. By following these techniques and leveraging the capabilities of polars, you can streamline your data processing tasks with ease. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your support means a lot.